Hello, and welcome to St. Lawrence College Career Services Working in Canada presentation. Today we will discuss everything you need to know about employment in Canada. Let's get started. We'll begin by going over a quick introduction of career services and the resources that we can provide you. We'll discuss employment in Canada and contact information for our department for you to reach out to if you need assistance. St. Lawrence College campuses are currently closed due to COVID-19, and career services staff are working remotely. But we are still here to assist you virtually with all of your job search needs. We can hold one-on-one appointments via telephone, email, Zoom, Skype, or Teams. We also have a variety of other online resources available to you, including Interview Stream, an online mock interview tool that is free for all SLC students. All you have to do is register using your SLC student email address. We also have our job board. This is monitored and updated daily. And on our website, we provide you with guides from resume and cover letter, interviews, and job fair. Are you ready to start working in Canada? I'm now going to bring you through the steps to help you do this. First, you'll want to search for jobs that interest you. You can do this via job boards, such as the one discussed earlier, slc.totalhire.com. You can also use public boards such as Indeed and Monster. Please note that these public boards are usually not monitored. This means that you must keep an eye out for fraudulent postings. To learn more about fraudulent postings, please review our employment fraud presentation or reach out to careerservices@sl.on.ca. You can also conduct your job search through your network, friends, professors, classmates, or other people in the community that you know. Are your friends and classmates working? If so, ask them where and if there's any openings at their organization. Once you find a position you're interested in, you'll want to start creating a cover letter and resume if you haven't already. If you've created one but you'd like it reviewed, or if you've never created one and need help, please reach out to us. I also suggest that you review our resume and cover letter presentation. Once you've customized your cover letter and resume to the job that interests you, you're ready to submit your application. Make sure that you submit your application in the manner that the employer is asking. And take a look through the job posting for any specific instructions regarding the application process, such as what to call the subject line of the email or what to name your attachments. If you've applied to a job and you haven't heard back within a few weeks of the closing date of the job posting, you're welcome to follow up with the employer with a professional email or phone call. And we encourage you to apply to other positions. But remember to customize your application to every single job posting that you apply to. And most importantly, focus on your studies. Doing well in school leads to career opportunities in the future. On this slide, I'm going to bring you through some employment norms that you should be aware of. First, minimum wage is $14 an hour in Ontario. This means that an employer cannot pay you any less than this. There are some limited exceptions, such as servers, but in the majority of cases, you will have to be paid $14 an hour or more. Students and employees must be paid for all work and training hours. An employer should not be asking you to come in for training shifts for free. Students can volunteer, but not in retail stores. Most volunteering is done in non-profit organizations. For international students, check your permit to see how many hours a week you are allowed to work. In most cases, it will be 20 hours per week. Jobs are posted online as discussed before, but don't forget about your network. Some jobs never make it to a job board before being filled. And remember, follow the directions on the job posting. Note how the employer is asking you to apply, and ensure that you apply in that manner. You should now begin to investigate opportunities. Build your network, collect job postings, and find jobs that interest you. Reach out to Career Services for further information or if you need assistance on anything employment, placement, or volunteer related. Thank you for listening to this Working in Canada presentation. Remember, we're here to support you with all of your job search needs. Follow us on social media for daily updates, tools, and job opportunities. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram at SLC Career Services and on Twitter at SLC Career. We look forward to hearing from you.